amaaso gajokera
amaaso face ejja naye katuwa
tukadiye
face yo ejja
basajja b'esayuzi
tusanyusa okubeera wano oyagala
ndi wano
abantu bano bonna bano n'abalala basigaddeyo bangi bakuweereza obubaka bwo nga baagala okwebaza byonna babakolera oluvannyuma lwotugamba nti oyagala abantu batono emmotoka zandisuuse ne mu nsanvu zalibadde zijje wano
nabadde ntambula ki nenda bagundi awaadi gye nafuna Moscow
kati tuzenta
nze mugenyi
awadi
enafuna
kuba ekifaananyi wano ojja kuba kifaananyi
ey'omuntu alwaniridde Africa era gino bagiwasa mu
88
twagifuna bantu babiri omu Africa
esimu giwona jakola bimbi eri kuba kifaananyi no vidiyo bwedde ekwata kuba kifaananyi lindako gize mu kifaananyi ojja kuba kifaananyi
kati gundi awaadi eno
bifaananyi kubakuba
twali babiri mu Africa bagifuna nze okuva mu Uganda n'omulala yalwa Nigeria naye bagimwa bwati ey'abantu abalwanirira friendship mu Africa ties between Africa and Soviet Union nagifuna that was presented to me
1988
kwa nali in Moscow 88 naliyo
kakati tukole omukolo we as former students of the Soviet Cultural Center and the graduates from the Soviet Union, we cannot forget what you did for us when we were younger men. All the pressure, the interest, and the achievements which you have. I mean, everything you put in for us to go outside and study is because of you. The risks you took, remember, the situation was not very good politically and economically. You were like our father. Academics, all our achievements outside Uganda are because of you. So we sat down and decided to recognize you. It's not an anniversary, but we think that you deserve it. And thank you very much for being part of us, for being our father, for opening up the doors for us to go outside Uganda. We have achieved a lot. After Soviet Union, we continued in other countries. We have families. You need to note that it's not just the four of us here. It's not just the four of us here, but we are many. But due to the environment in which we are operating right now, we could not bring everybody. So here is a plaque. Today on the 1st of January 2022, it says Appreciation Award. Appreciation Award. The former students and members of Uganda Soviet Culture Center present this award to Mr. Alfred Brafe in appreciation of your selfless, outstanding mentorship, and thank you so much for your parental guidance. So on behalf of the association, all the students, and maybe the association, those who are dead and those who are still living, please, my name is Isubuga, on behalf of the association, the late and those who are still living, please kindly accept this plaque of appreciation. It's not a certificate, but it's something you can live forever. You can live with it forever, and you can leave even your grandkids to look at. Thank you so much.
I'm indeed grateful.
It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure to give you this award. Okay? Before then, photo.
I'm very grateful.
Sure. This is for you.
I'm happy to receive this award.
Thank you so much.
And I'm happy and I'm proud that what I struggled for was really achieved because I struggled for the future of the students,
Yes.
and I'm extremely very happy that they went through their studies through my hands,
Sure.
and I'm glad that they are doing well, they are in good positions. This is what I struggled for,
Yeah.
see that they have a future life,
Yeah.
and I'm very grateful to receive this award in appreciation for the students, former students who went to Russia and other countries
Sure.
through my struggle, through my hands.
And you are.
And I'm glad to inform you that
Sure.
last year I met His Excellency President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni
Sure.
in the State House. He was very grateful for the work I did.
Karasha.
To see that I sent students abroad,
Karasha.
and I told him even some ministers in his staff, those I sent abroad for studies.
Karasha.
So His Excellency President was very happy. So I'm very happy and proud to see that the students I sent abroad for studies, they are doing well, they have looked after their families, they are in good positions. So this is what I struggled for,
Thank
and
you so
I'm
much.
indeed grateful for this, to receive this award in appreciation of the former students. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you. And you can lift it up, Paul. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And on record, when we were young, we were just dreaming of going to the west or east, leaving Uganda. So we did not only settle in Soviet Union, but you have students in Sweden, Germany, England, America, Canada, the whole world, with their education and with their achievements because of you. So you are some kind of aeroplane for us. You opened all the doors for us, okay? And I said you took a lot of risks for us, which I cannot even mention here. So thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, you might want to put that.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. I personally live in the United States for the last 20 years. Now, in this envelope, there's some piece of milk for you
Thank you very much.
and your family and your grandkids
Thank
to
you
consume.
very much.
Okay?
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
I'm very happy.
And we also thank you for giving us time to come to your house. Spasiba, spasiba. Spasiba, spasiba.
So I can tell you that I helped many students. I didn't know their parents.
You didn't know their tribes.
I didn't know their tribes.
Yeah.
What I wanted, I hear Ugandan. That was
That is
enough.
it. Yeah, that was enough.
You even never considered tribes.
Yeah, you didn't know their tribes, yeah.
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 Students could at the airport. He is soon going to. He could show you, this is my mom, this is my dad. See the parents. I helped the students, but I didn't know their parents.
Yeah.
You see.
Yeah.
And what I did, I educated even my children.
Your children, exactly.
All of them. This is a doctor in America. She was a doctor in